The current kitchen in the science staff room was too cluttered, unorganized, and outdated. Members of the science faculty felt that the current kitchen was in a poor state, with little to no benchtop space, amongst other problems, such as not enough cabinet space and a lack of an organization system. With the new design of the kitchen, we will attempt to solve these problems, as well as provide a high quality, fresh redesign that will last a long time to come. This is the design for the new kitchen. Our new kitchen design has been optimized to use every bit of space available to create a more spacious area, while still maintaining all functionality and aesthetics.
Before beginning the ideate phase of our project, we conducted an interview with Miss Ibbott and sent out a Google form to the science faculty to empathize with them and see what they would like from a new kitchen. We did this so that we knew what problems to solve and what features to incorporate into our new design. During the ideate phase of our project, we roughly sketched as many designs as we could think of. Pictured are some of the designs that we came up with.
We used modeling software like SketchUp to create prototypes, reiterating through each step of the design process. Our design integrates a clever corner cabinet system that will work in tandem with the rest of the cabinets to maximize the amount of space that is available for storage. After consultation with the client, we also decided to include a microwave cabinet per their request.
What makes our project different to one, for example, a Year 9 beach house project is that we have to factorize a budget of 6,000 Australian dollars into consideration. We decided to use Kabuto cabinetry for the base cabinets as it was more cost efficient, and IKEA for the wall cabinetry as only IKEA offered the choice for the microwave cabinets.
Using virtual reality, VR, we also tested benchtop and cabinet heights, as well as the doors and space of the kitchen. This ties in to our ergonomic study of the kitchen that we conducted, and allowed us to get a better understanding of our kitchen. After using VR, we were able to make the kitchen easier to use by modifying heights and tolerances. With this final design locked in, we moved past CAD modeling and began to experiment with physical models. We started with cardboard for the initial stages as we were learning and experimenting with the glue and tools that we had access to in the makerspace. When we were confident in our skill, we moved on to using screenboard and began creating our final model.
To complement the screenboard model, we used a Prusa 3D printer to print parts that would be hard to make by hand, such as the kitchen sink and the accompanying table. To work with the screenboard, we used a laser cutting machine that we have access to precisely cut the screenboard into parts for the model.
Here it is, fully assembled. To recap the design process, we empathized with our client, Ms. Ibbott and Mr. Prelis, defined through information gathering, ideated by conceptualizing through information gathered. We prototyped using VR and created a prototype of our physical model, reviewed on and on with our client until we got to the final stage of hopefully implementing our design into the real world. This concludes Sydney Boys High School's Science Staff Room Kitchen proposal. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.